So this is the first video I'm doing on YouTube ever, and what I'm trying to show here is how to build a pocket hole jig, a 3D print one. I'm using my Ultimaker. This is already the printed one. I'm gonna do another voiceover later because this is the first try. We'll actually show how the print works first and explain that. But I wanted to have a pocket hole jig for a 8mm and a 10mm drill. and so I just went to the hardware store and got two copper tubes, one with an inner diameter of 10mm, the other diameter was 12mm, and for the 8mm inner diameter I just chose a 10mm copper tube. I tried with two drills at the store if they fit the inner tubes, and they actually perfectly fitted. So this is the pocket hole jig. You can adjust the length, how far it should be away from your corner edge, and then I heat up the soldering iron to 240 degrees at first. Actually I had to increase the temperature to 280 later on because 240 was not enough. I printed in ABS in black, which kinda didn't work so well because the jig at the bottom wrapped a little, so it didn't sit flush with the wood board. Probably gonna try to print another one with PLA where I don't have wrapping, because I think the PLA might be stable enough as well. The drill goes into the copper tube anyway, so it doesn't touch the material much. Here I'm trying like to force it in. Finally got it in. Took a few minutes. A little bit more. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. If it wasn't a little bit bent, it would have probably worked perfectly. Hot. So then I tried to force in the bigger one, the 12mm tube. That kind of was a little of a hassle. Needed to drill out the hole a little bit more and force it in, since it was kind of scraping away the plastic from the inside. It was pretty hard to get it in because the plastic was, moving inside the tube, getting on the soldering iron. Started to smell a lot, probably not the healthiest way. Now I'm trying to drill out any remaining plastic that also moved into the tube. It's probably a better idea to actually fix the jig to something. I had a hard time keeping it not from rotating and chopping off my fingers. And if you look in the right corner to the soldering iron, you can maybe see some smoke coming up. I turned on the heat on the soldering iron to 400 degrees after scraping off as much plastic as I could to kind of burn off the rest. Not sure if that's the best idea, but it worked. And now you can see the jig rotated on the drill. Hurt my fingers a little. Tried to play it cool. Sorry, next time I'll try to have the camera actually pointing to where it used to, so you can see it. And here I kind of do a last drill and also scrape the table.